Good morning, students. I'm Professor Priyanka Soni from Computer Science and Engineering Department at SIRT College, Bhopal. Now, today we are discussing about SDLC model, which is subject of Software Engineering CSE fourth semester. Now today we are discussing about SDLC model. So, what is SDLC model? SDLC is a systematic process used in software engineering to design, develop, test, deploy, and maintain software applications. And it ensures high software development within time and budget. There are six phases of SDLC model. First one is requirement analysis, system design, and implementation and coding, testing, deployment, and last is maintenance. Now we are discussing about first point, that is requirement analysis. Now we are what we are doing in requirement analysis. In requirement analysis, we are collected from customers, stakeholders, and end users data, and these are analyzed for feasibility and clarity. The output is the software requirement specifications. Second is system design. So what we are doing in system design? So in system design, system architecture is prepared based on requirements and includes high level design and low level design. Next point is implementation, that is a coding part. So what we are doing in coding part? In coding part, actual coding of the software is done using suitable programming languages following coding standards. In testing parts, software is tested to detect and fix errors, and unit integration system and acceptance testing are performed. In deployment, software is released into the production environment for user access. In maintenance, software is updated to fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features. That is a flow of SDLC model. So we are starting from requirement analysis, then system design, then implementation, then testing, then deployment, and then maintenance. Now we are know about some popular SDLC model. That is a waterfall model, and agile model, spiral model, V model, and incremental model. And now we are discussing about some advantages of SDLC model. And first one is it is improved project planning and control. And after that, it ensures systematic development. And next is it reduces risks to make the software. And last one is improve software quality. Thank you so much.